welcome to my YouTube video. This is Rashi and today I'm going to be doing a Zara haul. So these are a few items that I picked up. It's pretty heavy during the Zara sale and I think I'm going to be doing it in two parts because it's quite a lot. So yes, let's get into the video straight away. It's going to be a try on haul. So super excited for this, and just to be brutally honest, even I haven't seen what's inside yet, like how are the products actually looking. So even I'm going to be seeing it for the first time as I try it on for all you guys. So let's get into the video. So the first thing that I got is this jacquard print dress. If y'all can see, the print is so pretty. It's like a full jacquard print. But I picked it up in a size small and it was for 5,590. In the sale I got it for something around 2,990. Good deal, but I think it might be a little big on me. So let's try it on and see. So this is the dress. I love the color. It's like bright pink, just a little deep. I think I might just fix a button out here. I'm in two minds whether I should keep this or return it. Let me know in the comments if I should return it or keep it. The next thing I got is this printed jumpsuit. Oh my god, I don't know if you can see it, but the texture feels so good. And hopefully when I wear it also, it fits me well and looks nice. But love the print and love the texture. This is something I'm definitely thinking of keeping and not returning. But I want to wear it and see how it fits. So let's see. So I love this jumpsuit. The texture feels very good, very rich, a very silky texture, and the color is also fab. The only thing here is I think I can just fix like a button because I find it a little too deep, like, you know, to go out for like brunches or something. Everyone has their own perspective, but yeah, I think I'm gonna just fix a button out here. Otherwise, a very chic jumpsuit and fits me very well, clinching at the waist, so it gives a very nice slim fit as well, and a little short for me, maybe because of my height. So I was really excited for this third thing. You know, it's something very basic, but something I've actually been looking forward to. It's like a tech crop top, so it's like a water repellent and bi-stretch crop jacket, in fact, like for working out. And if you all can see the detailing, it's very structured, I feel, like in terms of the design. So I think this is something I actually have been waiting out of everything else in the box because this is something I know I'm going to be wearing very often, and I'm going to be mentioning the price it was at and the sale price somewhere around here. So let's try this on. This is super duper stylish and I think perfect for my athleisure wear. I'm gonna be wearing this so often, but you know, for some reason I think it smells of cigarette, like someone has smoked and like burned this and returned it to Zara, it seems. But I'm not gonna be returning this. I'm gonna be dry cleaning and wearing it because I got this at such a mad deal and it looks amazing. Experimental, so I love experimenting with my fashion, if you all know me from Instagram. And this is what I ordered. So it's like a sequined trouser. I love the color, first of all, it's so pretty, and I got it like at a good deal in the sale. Hopefully the size fits well. Oh my god, I love these pants. I wish I got it in time for Christmas or New Year. I would have definitely worn it, so not returning this at all. I love the fit of this and the texture also. It feels so rich, like, you know, sequency and glam. So the next thing is something really pretty. I love the color scheme that's going on in this trouser jeans in fact. So there's like a nice pink and orange color block thing that's going on, and I think this will look very cool on, you know, if you wear a basic top also, like a pink top or a black top or something like what I'm wearing, it will really stand out. And specifically love how subtle the print is. You know, it's not too over the top, so it won't be too printed, but it still look very stylish. So let's see how this looks after trying on. Oh my god, I absolutely adore these pants. The color, the print and the subtleness of these pants. I've actually seen a very similar one on ASOS and I was thinking of ordering it, but customs. But yes, found the perfect pair. It's a little loose for me. and it's now sold out on the app, but I think I'll just get it altered myself. Don't want to miss the chance. The next thing is something which will make you all feel like it's the disco era again. It's like so shimmery and glam, and I think it'll look so amazing over like solid pants. There was actually a matching cord set, but I didn't get my hands on it in the sale because it went away too fast. But gonna be trying this and doing some disco. This is giving me all the disco feels, but I think this is too oversized for me. Like, you know, for this kind of sequin pattern, I think a little more fitted top would look better. It's pretty loose and it's a small, so I'm wondering what are the Zara sizes like nowadays. But yeah, it's loose, and of course it would have looked better with the coordinate pants, so I'm going to return this one. And also the material form inside is hurting my skin, so even if it was my size, I would definitely give it back, because I like, comfort. The fabric has to be very comfortable if you're planning to wear it for like a party or something. This is the too loose, so yes, returning.
Bye.
That's it for video number 1. I hope you liked the Zara haul. I still have quite a lot in this, so part 2 coming up next, and I hope you'll enjoyed watching this try on haul. Also, at the end of the next video, there's gonna be a giveaway, so don't forget to subscribe to my video, like, comment and share it with all your friends, because that's what is important to me. Love you guys, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Wake Up and Fashion is my handle. See you guys. Bye. And I've got new clothes to wear now. Oh shit, I have to pick it up myself. Bye.